Ceiba pentandra is a tropical tree of the order Malvales and the family Malvaceae, native to Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean, northern South America, and to tropical West Africa. Kapok is the most used common name for the tree and may also refer to the cotton-like fluff obtained from its seed pods. The tree is cultivated for the seed fibre, particularly in Southeast Asia, and is also known as the Java cotton, Java kapok, silk cotton, Samauma, or Ceiba. Common names: English, Kapok, Ceiba, white silk cotton tree, Hindi, Safe Semel Aanaana, Manipuri, Aa section a kilometer section Aa section a kilometer Amoratira, Malayalam, Panimaram, Tamil, Alavam, Telugu, Telebiraga, Marathi, Somali, Kannada, Dudai, Sanskrit, Kitashamali, Bengali, Aa section a square millimeter a section Aashwet symbol, Sinhala, Kota. Characteristics: the tree grows to 70 m with a trunk up to 3 m in diameter with buttresses. The trunk and many of the larger branches are often crowded with large simple thorns. The palmate leaves are composed of 5 to 9 leaflets, each up to 20 cm long. The trees produce several 115 cm pods containing seeds surrounded by a fluffy, yellowish fiber that is a mix of lignin and cellulose. One of the oldest known trees, at 200 years, lives in Miami, Florida. Uses: Kapok fiber is light, very buoyant, resilient, resistant to water, but it is very flammable. The process of harvesting and separating the fiber is labor-intensive and manual. It is difficult to spin, but is used as an alternative to down as filling in mattresses, pillows, upholstery, zaffas, and stuffed toys such as teddy bears, and for insulation. It was previously much used in life jackets and similar devices until synthetic materials largely replaced the fiber. The seeds produce an oil, used locally in soap, and that can be used as fertilizer. Native tribes along the Amazon River harvest kapok fiber to wrap around their blowgun darts. The fibers create a seal that allows the pressure to force the dart through the tube. The commercial tree is most heavily cultivated in the rainforests of Asia, notably in Java, Philippines, Malaysia, Hainan Island and China, as well as in South America. The flowers are an important source of nectar and pollen for honey bees. Ethnomedical uses Ceiba pentandra bark decoction has been used as a diuretic, aphrodisiac, and to treat headache, as well as type 2 diabetes. It is used as an additive in some versions of the hallucinogenic drink ayahuasca. Kapok seed oil A vegetable oil can be pressed from kapok seeds. The oil has a yellow color and a pleasant, mild odor and taste, resembling cottonseed oil. It becomes rancid quickly when exposed to air. Kapok oil is produced in India, Indonesia and Malaysia. It has an iodine value of 85 to 100. This makes it a non-drying oil, which means that it does not dry out significantly when exposed to air. Kapok oil has some potential as a biofuel and in paint preparation. Religion and folklore: the kapok is a sacred symbol in Maya mythology. According to the folklore of Trinidad and Tobago, the castle of the devil is a huge kapok growing deep in the forest in which Basil, the demon of death, was imprisoned by a carpenter. The carpenter tricked the devil into entering the tree, in which he carved 7 rooms, one above the other, into the trunk. Folklore claims that Basil still resides in that tree. Most masks coming from Burkina Faso, especially those of Bobo and Mossi people, are carved from the kapok timber. Symbolism: C. pentandra is the national emblem of Guatemala, Puerto Rico, and Equatorial Guinea. It appears on the coat of arms and flag of Equatorial Guinea. Gallery. See also: fiber crop, Parque de la Ceiba. References. External links: Kapok fibers, seed fibers, germplasm resources information network, Ceiba pentandra in Brunken, U. Schmidt, M. Dressler, S. Jansen, T. Tombiano, A. and Zeiska, G. 2008. West African Plants, a Photo Guide. Forschungsinstitut Senckenberg, Frankfurt, Main.